Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hi, Kiran.
Yeah, hi, Praveen.
Actually, facing some issues, so can I share my screen?
Yeah, you can share and you can share.
Are you able to see my screen? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, some reason like my code is taking uh, both the values as Denver.
Okay.
That is one thing, and other thing is like yeah,
Okay.
we'll
Show
go.
show me your correlation, right? You can show me that correlation. So which boundaries you picked based on that also. See. Okay. Not this. Yeah, this one. Yeah. Option value and you can give an value or b is equal to your provider, right? Okay. So now you are not getting every time you are getting same, huh?
Yes, I will run one by one in debug mode so that.
Okay.
If you see,
Yeah, yeah.
departure Denver, arrival Denver, and date is coming 1415. That is fine.
Okay, okay. For here, you are selected also same, huh, while doing.
No, Kiran.
You can observe in output which what you are picking. Output you observed.
Yeah, output is showing different values only in
Yeah,
both
yeah.
the.
That is fine. So here it is showing. It is like front end application, right?
No, but in when I go to the itinerary, it is also showing Denver to Denver only.
No, no, no. So for this, don't consider. Okay, this your runtime viewer. Okay, you can consider only output. Okay,
Yeah, output only, Kiran.
you can continue. You can replay. No need to debug. Okay.
Here, why it is showing departure underscore city only? Is it like that only?
No, no, no. It's the replacing is wrong. That is why it is showing that. Okay. There is a replace issue. That is okay. We'll see that also. You can execute. Yeah, your side. I'm getting some disturbance error. Yeah. Thank you. So everyone joined. Okay. Now go to the output window. How money is
Yeah.
yeah, check output window. Yeah, see you can observe RAN depot is a Portland and RAN dest is a Paris.
Okay.
So means you are getting from the correct only. Okay.
No, but if I open itinerary, it is booking tickets from Denver to Denver only.
So that is the application issue. Okay, for not for our issue. Okay, our script is working fine, but application is that is the application issue because this sample application, right? That is why you are getting
Uh,
from the
uh,
this kind of
um,
error.
no, Kiran, like when I executed manually in some other system,
Mm.
so it's taking fine only. Like suppose if I remove that this logic, and if I keep ORD is equal to some parameters like 2 and 4, it is taking fine only.
Same means like what you are giving, you are able to see that.
Ordinal is equal to, suppose if I provide 2 and ordinal is equal to 3 different cities, it is booking the
Picking correct
ticket.
only. Okay.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, so you are same to your parameter, right? We are observing that you are giving from the LR parameter random, right? That is not working fine. You can go there. I will tell you what is that issue. You can go to that code. Everyone joined. We'll start our class few minutes. So like Praveen has some doubts. Okay, you can, yeah, wait 1 minute. Here departure city. You can go from the like where you did from the correlation. Go there. Same name you are given, departure city, arrival city. Okay, come down. Here departure city and arrival city underscore city. Okay, then come down. Okay, it's correct only, right? Parameter names.
Yeah,
You are copy pasted only, right? You did
yeah, yeah.
run depart run dest. Okay. Okay, we'll check my script also. We'll see. Okay, if it is any issue or not, I will check. Okay.
Yeah, and one more doubt is,
Yeah.
see, this is the outbound value that I am taking.
Okay.
So here I provided two, but if I provide all, and if you want to pick random, then how to do?
Random, if you want pick from the random means you need from the true drop downs, right?
Two drop downs, sir.
Yes. Otherwise, if you want means you can give from the same LR string, LR perma random function, and you can give from the like some what is the name outbound flight, right? Outbound underscore
Uh-huh.
say and rand
We
outbound
have
you
three
can give.
values, Kiran. So instead of picking same one, if you want to pick some random value, so
So you can,
after
you don't give from the ordinal, right? If you give from the you can cancel ordinal all. So every time you will book from the different. Only ordinal only when we wanted like two drop downs, then we can give from that.
so if I keep this one, then every time you're saying like it will be
It
different
will
different
be
value.
different flight will be booked. Okay, that is the dynamic, right? Dynamic if we are doing from the correlation, nothing but it's a dynamic.
Okay. Yeah. Meanwhile, I will execute this one. So
Yeah.
can you check that one from your side?
Okay, we'll check. We'll check. Okay, no worry. Okay, so I think everyone joined. Ravi, yeah. So
Yes, sir. Good evening.
yeah.
Yesterday, due to some reason, I didn't attend the class.
Okay, no worry.
And
Yeah.
could you please tell me That video you have shared, that's for yesterday class.
Yes, yesterday class only. C techniques and I shared, right? That is yesterday class. Okay.
Okay.
Scripting challenges. We can call it as a scripting challenges also. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So we can start our class.
Sure.
Yeah. Thank you. So everyone able to see, right, my screen?
Yes, Kiran.
Yeah, okay. Thank you for your confirmation. Okay. Yesterday we are done from the some scripting announcements. Okay. Uh, so I think okay. Just today I will explain from the in correlation point of view what kind of interview questions they will ask, and we'll discuss all things. Okay. So like correlation nothing but already we know the what is the correlation and how many ways we can do the correlation, like manual correlation and auto correlation. What is the manual correlation function? Nothing but like we want to do from the like find the dynamic value in our script and find the dynamic value left boundary, right boundary, and find the dynamic value, okay, where to we can write the function and substitution. So we discussed this all, right? So today we'll discuss from the okay different topic, that is the functions we can use. So as of now in our script, what functions you are observed? So we have the some web functions will be there, LR functions. Web functions means nothing but these all will be web functions, and LR functions means LR start transaction, LR think time. These are the this one, because is the interview questions they will ask from the do you know from the any web functions, do you know from the any LR functions they will ask. First we can, once we can record the script what are the functions generating, and when we are doing from the scripting enhancements what are the functions we are observed, we'll discuss. Okay. So first thing, go into the web functions, web socket option. So which purpose we can use web socket option means, as a developer when is developing from the application, he will give from the some SSL version, like they will develop from the SSL 1.2, 1.3 and SSL 2 by 3, so they will develop. So when we are record the script, we need from the SSL version also, sometimes will be very mandatory. So that is the way it will be generated from the function web set socket option. And you can observe also SSL version is auto nothing but if it is anything like TLS 1.2 or 1.0 or whatever maybe, so that is why it is automatically it is generated function. This is the web and you can observe here web break find. What is the web break find? Okay, we want to validate the correct response, exactly we are going to the correct response or not, we want to know, means we are using from the web break find. That is the one of the validation point. So in our script, if you are doing from the correlation, like if you are doing from the scripting enhancements, each and every request above you must provide the this validation point. Why? Because if you give in only that validation point, we are exactly correct page we are going or not, we are able to understand. So that is the one of the web function web break find. And you can observe here web break save param. What is the web break save param function? It is a correlation function. To handle the dynamic value point of view, we are using for the web break save param. And we have the other function also, we have the correlation functions web break save param ex, web break save param reg exp, web break save param jsl. So we have that these all will be web break save param functions. And once we can record the script, we are able to see the some functions, web functions, web URL. What is the web URL? Nothing but like when you are clicking to the application, it is generated from the web URL function. So and coming to the next request, you can observe. So this is the web submit data. So what is the web submit data? Nothing but you are submitting to the data to the application, like you are entering from the some username password, or you are entering from the some details to the application. When you are submitting to the application some data, so it will be generated as a web submit data. Okay, and we can observe any other things apart from this. We can observe web breaks APRM already we know, web URL we know. So as same to the, these will be as per script we are using as of now. You want from the many web functions means we can go to the view, and here step toolbox will be there. Click on step toolbox, and you can see the here many functions, web functions. If you click from the web underscore, so we are seeing from the many functions, web custom request, web image, and web stream, and you can observe. So only important things you can know. Everything means we have the multiple functions. So first thing you should be, what are the functions we are using in our script. That is the very good thing, like web URL, web submit data, web break find, web socket option, and like web break say param ex reg exp, and so these all will be we are good. And apart from this we can observe web image also. So what is the web image? Nothing but, so we are validating from the web break find is a text based. You can observe, if you go here, you are validating for the this web break find is a which based, text based. So you can observe, so we are giving from the text is equal to you are given, you are provided as a text is equal, means this text it will be there in the response, your script will be going to the next page. Same way we have the web image also will be there. So this web image also, if you click here, so this is the step name, like you can give from the web image whatever maybe, and you can click from the property and view, means you can just click on OK. See, it is a web image, and here we need to provide from the double colon comma last, and we can close the OK. Okay, last already came, right? I don't let it. Okay, so now you can observe, so this is the syntax, like this is the name. So if you are doing from the launch, means you can give from the launch only. Okay, now we need to provide from the here, what we need to provide here is an important thing. So for example, if you go to the application, we'll go to the application, you can observe. So we can see the application, this is the launch one. Okay, we are taking from the, these are the text, that will be everyone will be know, because we are doing from the text verification point, that is why we are validating the text. Now we are validating from the through image also. We can, image means this HP image, maybe this web tour also some image will be there, this is image, this is image. So what we need to write there means we can just click for that page, and if you want validate as an image, view page source, and here you can observe some src is equal to header.html, that is the one image address, and if you want means src this logic some true, this is the one. So these are the there in this particular page. So this everything you need to copy the this src thing. Okay, copy this and go to the script, and you need to provide from the like here src this. Okay, now we can observe. So already we know load runner variable, we don't know the double colon, that is why we need to provide from the slash, and you can observe any other places. Okay, here also you have, so you can provide. Okay, now your script is done. So now you can validate this. So just you can save this and you can execute this. So web image also one of the verification point. Okay, we got some error. What is that error? Okay, there is connect HTML based functions. So we got some error. Web image, sorry, underscore check. Also we have web image check. So same to the, we can how to syntax also if you want means we can go to the, we have the function help also will be there. Just you can click from the function F1, so it will show the your like help how to you can write syntax and all things also it will display here. So you can observe web image check. So you can observe verify the presence of the specific image inside as a HTML page. So if you want for the syntax, you can go here and with see web image check. This is the constant char and we need to provide from the just src we need to provide. You can observe src, you can last. So that's it. So if you want example means you can click on this example image check, then you are able to see the real time thing. So you can observe this is the web image check and we are providing from the that just alt when is that is the src as a image. So we can do from the this function also, using this function also we can do from the our scripting like if you want from this. So now again we'll save this and we'll execute. See, now your script will be pass. Now you need to understand. So this space really it is valid or not if you want means we can like see the output means you can click here and go to the replay log. So you can observe web image check started and you can observe verification image web image check was successful. If it is wrong you will get from the function will be mismatch. For example, we'll give from the some 1 2 3 something I'm giving wrong and we'll observe it is valid or not we can observe.
Kiran, what is that showing that like web image check is skipped or something it is showing, right?
Web image check
Is skipped is also showing, right, on the top
yeah
of
yeah
that.
yeah we need to enable that also like we can go to the here right in recording options we need to enable the web image check also. Okay, that is why it is showing that here we can we have the functions will be there. You can web break find also you need to enable, don't need to do from the every time. Okay, as same to the we have the in runtime settings also we have the content type will be there. There we need to enable from the web image check also. If you observe in runtime settings, see here you can observe enable this one. So you need to check that enable image and text checks, so then it will be you will not get from that kind of error. So SM2 that is not a issue because you are able to validating that, so that is why no worry. SM to the as per my knowledge no need from the that what is the no need from the web break file. See you can observe I given wrong, it is your script is failed. So because src means every time you need to go to the every page and you need to take from the text. So that is a very difficult because we have the lot of lines of code. So if you want every request above you need to keep means every page you need to go to the like this and take from the source code and you can copy paste it and again you do means that is a very difficult thing. Like it will take from the script also it will take from the more time. So that is why what we need to do means, so just apart from this you can use this web break file because when you are recording the script you can observe when you are recording the script you can mention from the like in the recording options you can check this. Okay, in the advanced you need to check from the this one generate web break find functions page titles and click on OK. Then what will happen means automatically the web break find will be each and every page above, like each and every request above it will be generated. Okay. Okay, so yeah, so you can uncheck, you can check and click on OK, and you can record, and you are able to each and every page also you will get from this web break file. So just interview point of view, how many ways we can do from the validation means we can do from the web break file, and web image also you can explain. And web image means it's a image verification for each page. Web break file means we want to verify the text in the every page. It's clear this, right? So everyone, so now we can observe from the remaining functions also. So important functions I am explain. Okay, see this is the web image check. Okay, just now we discussed, and we have the web add headers. So if you want to add any headers, you can use from the web add header. And cookies also, you want to clean the cookies, and web cleanup cookies. Using to clean the cookies, we are using for the web cleanup cookies. And we have the this is also important, web concurrent start and end. So which purpose it will use from the web concurrent and start and end, nothing but. So for example, you are given from the like some starting from the click on flight to payment up to. So you are given from the starting, here is the start is the this concurrent, and end is this, means what will happen means your script will be execute from the there to there, it will throw from the like concurrently it will send the your request. That is the purpose we can use from the, if you click also each and everything which purpose we can use also we know. So you guys go through that and you can read it. And web get in property also very important, like this web get in property, like function returns the specific information about the previous HTTP request. Like if you want from the HTTP request status code 200 or 300 400 or 500 you want, means it will be written that information. And using for the web get in property, we can find the, for example you are downloading from the some file, what is that file size also we can get from the using from the web get in property. And you can observe we are already know from this web break separum ex and regexp and this all. And we can see any other thing apart from this website certificate. Sometimes we need from the any certification, we need to provide from the website certificate. And website user also very important, and this is also we know website max html param length function. Which purpose we can use means your load runner variable, okay, that variable it is occupied 256 bytes. If it is a more than 256 bytes, we need to write from the top of the script website max html param length function, and you need to assign from the number of bytes. And going to the next, okay, web convert param. So web convert param already we discussed in the convert in the as a correlation one of the argument convert, right? Same way using for the web convert param, we can convert from the text like it's HTML to text, plain text to URL. So here we can convert from the many ways, but convert it is only used from the HTML to URL, URL to HTML only. But using this function we can do from the HTML to URL, URL to HTML, HTML to text, and plain to text or URL. So we can do from the vice versa from the this all things. That is the web convert param. And we have the okay, so these all important for us now, as of now. For now we need from the these all important. Now these all will be web functions. So now we need from the LR function also. So LR functions means load runner functions. So in our script first we'll observe from the in our script. So you are observing from the LR start transaction, LR end transaction. So we know the everyone already which purpose we can use from the LR start and end transaction, to measure the particular transaction response time we are using from the LR start and transactions. Okay, and apart from this you can observe LR think time. So very important thing, LR think time. LR think time nothing but, so we want to delay between the two actions or two requests, we can call it as a LR think time. Delay between the two actions or two requests, we can call it as a LR think time. So that is the thing, and we can observe in our script only. Okay, and after that we'll go to the step toolbox and we'll see the remaining. Okay, and LR start and end is completed. Right now if you go to the any other thing apart from this, okay, so now you are seeing, right, for here you can observe like LR eval string. This is also load runner LR function, LR eval string. Which purpose we can use, Praveen?
For reading the
Yeah, we want to read that okay, parameter name, then we are using for the LR eval string.
yeah.
Okay, so like you can observe LR output message. So which purpose we can use LR output message? So we want to
Printing.
display the in output, print that output, then we are using from the LR output message. And apart from this we have any other things. Okay, we'll go to the next. Yeah, yesterday we discussed randomly, right? You can observe here randomly point of view we are used from the LR string, LR parameter random also. So LR save string nothing but we want to save the our load runner variable, we are using from the LR save string. LR parameter random means we want to capture the randomly, we are using from the random point of view, we are using from the this function LR parameter random function. Okay, means in this value it will store the here to here, that is why we are using from the LR save string. And apart from this okay, already we discussed LR eval string, LR output message, and any other thing. Okay, nothing we have. Okay, now go to the 1 minute. Yeah, step toolbox. If you see here LR abort, so LR abort nothing but it stop the execution of the action section and execute the user end section and end the execution. Nothing but if you provided LR abort, then what will happen means the particular action it will end and it will end the your section, execution will be execute. But we have the one more thing, LR exit will be there. So if stop the execution of the action section and execute the user end section and end the execution, means this will be executed from the till end when you are given from the exit. When you are given abort, so particular action it is failed, it will stop from there, that is the abort. So very important question, what is the difference between LR abort and LR exit also they will ask. And LR continue and error. So if you want to, your script will be continue with the, if it is error also, if you want to continue means you need to provide from the LR continue and error. Then it what will happen means your script will be not throw, it is as a warning or it will throw error, but your script will till end it will execute, like till transaction end it will execute. And we have a lot of functions, I will explain from the as per our use only. And LR output message already we know. Okay, LR parameter index also important thing. So LR parameter index nothing but the LR parameter index as a function, right? It is returns as a string containing like the value, for example it's index. So for example you have the 1 2 3 4 will be there. So you want to from the index 1, index 2, if you want to call from that point of view, we are using from the LR parameter index IDX, and you can observe LR parameter random. It will generate from the random point of view, we are using from the LR parameter random. And one more thing, LR ranges is a very important point. LR ranges. So what is the LR ranges means? It is a point to instruct the users wait for the certain point, and it will arrive the once all the users will be come to that place, it will be execute from the subsequently. For example, so we are everyone getting from the salary from bank. So what will happen? As a bank, they will run from the some 10 o'clock morning 10 o'clock batch. Then what will happen? Once they will run, so all users will be going to the like payment section. It will wait from the sometimes, because you can observe once will get the salary, everyone will get from the immediately at a time within the like seconds difference. Like I got salary, I got salary, I got salary, everyone thing. So how they it is coming means they were giving from the some reduces point, like it will wait point. So some 60 seconds or 1 minute or 5 minutes they will give, and all users will also coming to that page, and it will wait from that payment section. And once all users will be arrived that point, at a time it is subsequently it will execute from the your request. So that kind of things we can use from the LR ranges point. And LR save timestamp also will be there. You want to save the current date, you can use from the LR save timestamp. Okay, so we have, okay, these all will be web functions and LR functions. So as per our convenient, we can use from the our functions. So if it is what are the functions, so just interview ask like tell me from the any LR and web functions, what you are exactly you are able to explain from those, you need to give from those answers to the team. Got it? So these are the LR and web functions. And same to the like I want to from the, for example, we are written from the like this web reg find, right? So I want from the pass condition also. Okay, it's web functions, LR functions completed. Now just I am giving from the one more okay example. Okay, web break find will be there. I want from the pass or failed, checkpoint pass or failed condition. So that point of view we need to write from the some if else condition. So if you go to the in our right, this is the if else condition. If a to I nothing but integer to like string to integer, a to I means string to integer means whatever may bit will be there, it will convert from the string to integer also. And LR eval string, and we are reading from the what is the name you are giving from the web break find here, right? Here I given from the some save count is equal login. So save count nothing but we want to how many times the particular test will be there, we are giving from the save count. So what is the name you are given here login, right? Same thing you need to provide from the in this LR eval string as a load runner variable you need to provide, and equal to 0. Then what will happen, right? So this text it is calculated, it is the 0, then what happen, the sign of is equal 0 means the welcome is not there in that page, so that is why you got from the count is 0. Then what will happen, you will get from the LR output message checkpoint is failed, else maybe it is a more than 1, then else LR output message checkpoint is passed you will get. So you can observe, if we'll copy this and we'll put it from the script and we'll observe.
What is A to I, Kiran? Sorry, I
String,
missed it.
string to integer. We want to see converting from the string to integer, integer to string we can use from the A to I function. So the particular thing, right, what you are giving from the here login is equal save count nothing but it's a 3 or 4 it is coming. Okay, so that is why it is a string to integer we are converting, that is why we are written as a to I. How we are written from the strcmp, right? Same way we are giving from that. Now you can after the request only we need to write from this. Okay, and don't write from the above of the LR and transaction. For any code, anything you are writing from the any customization, don't write from the LR and above. Because why I am telling means, if you give here, sometime it will take, right? The code also it will execute from the sometime it will take. Then what will happen? It will count from the your start and end transaction or response time. So that is why don't give from the above of this, below of the this start and end and start, in between you need to provide from this anything if you want, right? And now you can provide from the, okay, checkpoint condition already we written. So you can observe if a to I LR eval string login equal to 0, LR output message checkpoint is failed, else LR output message checkpoint is pass. So already we are executed, right? If you want means you can go to the here and you can observe from the, okay, what message you got. See, login is equal to you got, that is why checkpoint is passed. So this point of view we are using from the these things. Okay, I am sharing from the chart window to the everyone for this. Also you can keep it and you can use.
But what is the use, Kiran? Because anyway, like we are validating the test, right, on the top of that one.
Yeah,
So
we are
what is the use?
yeah, nothing, just that will be like debugging point of view, and if anyone see also it is a pass or failed, and we are able to exactly go into the correct page or not, whatever maybe it's fine. If you not given also no problem. So if you are seeing from the, like someone see your script, okay,
No,
it's
no.
written from,
What is the recommended approach? Because so
that
see,
will be actually, that will be no need, as per my knowledge, no need, because just you are giving from the pass or fail point of only.
because in every page, like we used to put the test sessions, right, like validating the
Yeah, valid,
test session.
that is
So
fine.
if we have to add for each page, means like after and at the end of the transaction, we have to give like multiple values, right? So multiple,
Yes, yes,
we have to repeat the same code in multiple pieces of lines, right?
yes, yes.
So
Okay.
is there any way that we can write once and reuse it in the other places?
Yeah, we can use reuse it. Okay.
Okay.
So, so this is the today class. Anyone have any doubt regarding this?
Yeah, how to reuse that work, Kiran?
Sorry.
See, we have written this piece of code, right?
This code, right?
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
So if I want to write at the end of each transaction, so I have to parameterize that login, right?
Yes,
So
you should do the no, just do from the here web break find is right here, save count you are giving from the one more variable, and you are giving from the name. So for
no, what I'm asking is like instead of writing that 4 to 5 lines at the end of the each transaction,
okay.
is there any way that we can reuse this particular piece of code into the all transactions? And that's what I mean.
No, no, no. That will be see, if you want to miss, you can provide from the each request. After that only you need to provide this code. Then only it will
Mm,
work.
mm.
So that is why we can't use from the same thing from the every request. So just you can use code, but only you need to change from the this.
Okay.
Okay, this is just look and feel only. Okay, someone will be see means okay is writing from the some C techniques or some technology. Okay, that is point of only. So no need, because here we are writing, but you can observe just you are getting from the this message only, pass or fail, based on from the count. Okay, Ravi, do you have any questions?
Not now, Kiran. You say I missed the one class, but I have to just brush up the previous
Okay,
skills as
yeah,
well.
you guys can go through that, and we'll see from tomorrow. And okay, we'll catch from tomorrow, and we'll see the remaining scripting. We have the still we have. We'll continue classes. Okay.
Yes.
Can you check that script?
Yeah,
That one.
we'll check. Okay, sorry, I forget. Okay, this script only, right? Okay,
Mm.
we'll do from the debugging mode. Okay, we'll see this how many times refresh. Yeah, given this also. So this is the just a debugging mode we are doing from the. So you want to from the like step by step process means we are using for this debugging mode. You can debug like particular time you are getting somewhere error. So where you are getting, if you want to means you can give from the this debugging mode. See now you can observe here also we are getting same.
Mm.
So means it's a application problem, not our problem. Okay,
No,
if you
but
want
the
to
thing
means
is like if I provide that ordinal is equal to index, it is working fine. That is the problem.
index, okay, like ordinals the 2 or 3 you are providing, it will
Three,
working,
then
right?
that is working fine. Yeah. Yeah, here also for you also it is coming that one on deposit
Yeah,
equal to array.
that is the application issues only, those are. Okay, so you can try, Praveen, we have the page store is there, right? You can try that. There also we have the drop downs will be there. Okay, you can try using from the parameter random, and you can observe from the application front end also, so same way. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
so
What is the issue here, Kiran? So,
for here output it is showing correct only, you can observe. If you go to the output, see output you are getting Denver and London only. Okay, so means here you are getting for correct only.
mm,
Based on this only we can consider. So you can observe also which one it is picking, also it is coming departure 2, count to 2, it is a arrow 2, it is counted. See, based on that it is this value it is capturing from the in this variable. Okay, we'll check for other application, and same way it is coming or not we'll observe. Okay.
yeah, okay.
Okay, so thank you for joining, and we'll meet tomorrow and we'll continue our classes. Thank you everyone.
Thank you, Kiran.
Yeah, thank you everyone, bye.